So I'm making banana bread this night for dinner. All right, so I have my bananas, sugar, vanilla, egg, cinnamon, flour, and the milk right here. And of course, my recipe. Okay. All right, so stay tuned while I get to the mashing and the mixing and everything. Okay, today we're going to bake it in the microwave, not the oven. This time around, the microwave. All right, stay tuned. So you'll be mashing the bananas. So I'm going to mash them until they are all super mashed, very mashed. Okay. All right. Okay, now the banana is all mashed, and put the egg in it. Just one egg, by the way, and then we mix. Then we put the vanilla extract and the milk and stir. All right. I've grated the cinnamon in here. Mix it up, all the dry ingredients, mix it up, mix it up together. And then into the wet ingredients. All right. So I'm going to give it a good stir, okay? And then I forgot 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and give it a good mix. And then it's ready to go into the microwave for 2 minutes. All right. So we're done with the mixing and we put on the microwave for 2 minutes. All right. Put the plate in the microwave. Put the microwave for 2 minutes. That's 2 minutes. All right, so we wait until it gets done. Meanwhile, the water for the hot chocolate is on fire. Okay, 2 minutes up. We're going to use the toothpick to test it. Comes out clean, then it's good. It didn't come out clean. So we'll extend it for some minutes, some seconds. All right. I extended it for by 1 extra minute. It's done. So still do the toothpick test. All right, toothpick right here, clean. Dip it into the center, bring it out. What the what? Still not done. Wow, following recipe. All right, we'll just hold on one more minute. All right, finally the 4 minutes done. Put it in, and it comes out not so neat, but what do we expect? It's supposed to be mushy. All right, so take a spoon of it. Okay, this is awesome. You just look at it. Just look. See? Can you see it? It's done. Mmm, yummy. This is good. I'm going to enjoy it. This is good. This is good. This is good. Can you see it? Can you see it? This is so good. All right, bon appetit.